In this video, I'll walk you through all the pricing settings on Airbnb, including how to set up discounts, adjust base rates, use smart pricing, and etc. The first thing you should do is click on calendar, and from the right side, come here and click on base price. The base price is price per night. For example, I put it on $70. It means that in usual dates, I can charge up to $70 per night. The second option is custom weekend price. It means that your property price in weekends will be this amount, like $99. The third option is smart pricing. If you click on that, as you can see, the price has been changed. What it actually do, it's actually an AI. This AI adjusts your price based on demand. For example, if the demand is low, your property price will be minimum nightly price from here is $61. If the demand is high, your property price will be go higher, and the price will be, for example, $186 maximum nightly price. You can choose these two options. You can change these two options, and for example, I'll put it on 180. The second option is discounts, and this is the place that I really like. From here, there are so many options. The first one is weekly. What it means actually when your customer reserve your property for 7 nights or more, you actually get certain amount of discount. For example, I'll put it on 21% or 22%. And the second option is monthly. Again, if a customer reserve your property for 28 nights or more, he can get or she can get a certain amount of discount. For example, I put it on 30%. The third option that you have to click is more discounts. There are two options here, early bird discounts and last minute discounts. If you click on this, it means that how early your customer reserve your properties. If I click on this one and choose and type 1, it means that if my customer reserve my property 1 month before arrival, he actually get, for example, 50% discount. The next option is last minute discounts. If you click on that, and as you can see, days before arrival. For example, it means if a customer reserve, for example, 1 day before their arrival, they can get set amount of discount, for example, 9%. This is for the time that your property is not reserved and you want just people to reserve that. The next option here is promotions. If you click on this, it says new listing promotion. If you are new to Airbnb and you want to encourage people to reserve your properties, you can enable this option. The next one is fees. For example, if you click on that, there are cleaning fee, pet fee, extra guest fee. You can set them. For example, I put the cleaning fee on $5, pet fee on pet fee for $2, and extra guest fee for $45 per guest. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel.